Hi, I'm Dr. LJ Rose from the Natural Wellness Academy, and we train coaches with a lot of great tips and techniques that they can share with their clients, and we're going to share them with you on these daily recipes. Today is a recipe for body. It's sensible sweetener, and we're going to have a series on this. So today I want to talk about one of my favorite sweeteners. What happens is that we all crave sugar. We all love sweets, but sweets tend to make us gain weight because it raises insulin levels, and that means that we start storing fat. One of the best solutions is to use dates or date syrup. For instance, this is a date syrup that I get from Trader Joe's, but you can go to any health food store and get date syrup. But you can also make your own syrup, or what I call date paste. This is a medjool date. It's one of my favorite. And you can use this as a great sweet. Sometimes if I want something sweet, I'll just take out the pit and stuff this with a little bit of almond butter. But to make date paste, this is what this looks like. You want to take several dates, take out the pits, put them in water for at least 20 minutes. If you've got things to do, you can have it soaking for hours, and then put all of that in a blender or a food processor and process it up. And you can use this in your smoothies. You can use this to sweeten anything, even use it in your baking. Now, the great thing about dates is even though they do have a lot of sugar, they also have a lot of fiber. And fiber is what's going to keep your insulin from spiking. So this has been your daily recipe. And let us know what you like to use for your sensible sweetener.